guys, it's 5 Day Outdoors here. Today, in this video, we are going to be doing some pest bird hunting. I'm going to go for some sparrows, some starlings if I can find any, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's get right into it. Sparrow, needing to move. Okay guys, I forgot to hit record, but got our first bird. The sparrow. Oh, hey, eat it. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to this. Let me see if I get more. Got another bird. See if I can take him out. Still there. Oh, I hit him. I don't know if he sells feathers, but definitely hit him. And he's gone. I'm trying. I hit him again. What the heck? I think it's hitting low. Hold on. Dang it. What the heck? Oh, it's still there. Let me get my spot. Don't get mad, I can't. Just something I believe in. Are you serious right now? What the heck? I've hit like 3 birds with this thing. And either my shot placement is horrible or this thing is not good. And I guarantee you it's my shot placement, because this thing is running 1200 FPS with normal pellets. So that might be why I keep messing up, because it's shooting so fast. But yeah, we'll keep going.